Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The Sony Alpha series has redefined the mirrorless camera industry, setting new standards with every generation. From the groundbreaking A7 III to the versatile A7 IV, Sony has consistently delivered cameras that push the limits of creativity, speed, and performance. Now, all eyes are on the highly anticipated Sony A7V, a camera that promises to bridge the gap between professional flagships and enthusiast-friendly options. Leaked reports suggest the Sony A7V will feature a 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, AI-powered autofocus, 20 frames per second burst shooting, and an upgraded body design inspired by the Alpha 1-2. These rumored specifications have sparked a wave of excitement among photographers, videographers, and content creators worldwide. Some are even calling it the baby A1-2, thanks to its blend of pro-level features in a more affordable package. But beyond the hype, there are questions. When will the Sony A7V launch? How much will it cost? Will it really compete with Canon's EOS R6 Mark II or Nikon's Z6 III? In this deep dive, we'll cover everything you need to know, from leaks and rumors to detailed specifications, key features, release date predictions, and expected pricing. Whether you're a professional photographer looking for your next workhorse, a hybrid shooter seeking a balance between stills and video, or simply a tech enthusiast following Sony's next big move, the Sony A7V might be one of the most important cameras of 2025-2026. Introductions set the stage. Sony's legacy with the A7 series. Why the A7V is one of the most anticipated cameras. What creators, photographers, and videographers expect. Tease the leaks and rumors, 44MP sensor, AI chip, release delay, etc. Sony A7V leaks and rumors. Early reports, 44MP sensor, faster burst shooting, AI autofocus. Body design leaks, similar to A1-2, rumored timeline, originally 2025, now possibly 2026, community nickname, Baby Alpha 1-2. Sources: Sony Alpha rumors, camera times, Inspire 2 Rise, the new camera, etc. Expected specifications: sensor 44MP full frame. Processor AI-powered imaging chip. Shooting 20 frames per second burst. Autofocus next-gen subject tracking, AI-driven. Video expected 8K/4K 120.EVF higher resolution upgrade. Cooling better thermal management. Design A1-2 inspired body. Ergonomic improvements. Storage dual card slots. CF Express plus SD. Connectivity Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.x, USB-C March 2nd, 10 key features of the Sony A7V: 44MP, full-frame sensor, balance of resolution plus speed, AI autofocus and subject recognition, smarter than A7 IV, 20 frames per second continuous shooting near flagship level. Advanced video modes possible: 8K and slow motion 4K. Upgraded EVF and LCD, clearer, brighter, better heat dissipation, extended video recording. Dual card slots with CF Express support, Pro workflow. Improved low-light performance, better ISO range. Enhanced ergonomics, A1-2 inspired body. Next-gen connectivity, fast transfer plus remote control. Release date timeline: originally rumored, late 2025. Recent leaks delay into early 2026. Possible announcement at CP Plus 2025 or Photokina 2026. Reasons for delay. Global supply chain, AI chip production. Sony A7V price expectations: rumored under $3,000 USD. Competes with Canon EOS R6 Mark II, Nikon Z6 III. Positioned as prosumer between A7 IV and Alpha 1-2. Regional pricing speculation: US, UK, EU, Asia. What it means for photographers and videographers. For hybrid creators, photo plus video. For professional photographers, weddings, sports, wildlife. For content creators, YouTubers, and filmmakers. Community reactions and expectations: photographers calling it mini A1-2. Debates over price versus performance. Concerns about release delays. Wishlist items from users: ND filters, 4K/120, global shutter, etc. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be a game-changing addition to Sony's Alpha lineup. With a rumored 44MP sensor, AI-driven autofocus, 20 frames per second burst shooting, and a pro-level body design inspired by the Alpha 1 II, it could deliver flagship performance at a fraction of the cost. While the exact release date remains uncertain, pushed from late 2025 to possibly early 2026, the excitement in the photography and filmmaking communities is undeniable. If the pricing rumors hold true, with the A7V coming in under $3,000, Sony may once again dominate the hybrid camera market, offering a tool that appeals to professionals and enthusiasts alike. As with any leak, we'll need to wait for official confirmation from Sony, but one thing is certain: the Sony A7V is one of the most anticipated cameras of the decade. Stay tuned for more updates as the launch window approaches. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for the latest news, rumors, and in-depth reviews on the Sony A7V and other cutting-edge camera gear.